In this video, I'll show you how to install iOS 12 without any developer account and absolutely free. I'll be installing iOS 12 on my iPhone 6. Currently my iPhone 6 is running on iOS 11. Click on the link in the description and you'll see this image. Click download. And now click allow. Click on iPhone. You'll have to punch in your iPhone passcode. Click next. Click install. It's going to ask you to restart your iPhone, so click restart. Once your iPhone reboot is complete, type in your iPhone passcode. Now go to your settings. Click General and now Software Update. You'll be seeing this window. Click on Download and Install. You'll again have to punch in your iPhone passcode. Once the download is complete, your phone will reboot. When the reboot is completed, type in your iPhone passcode again. Click on continue. Click continue again. Click share with app developers. Get started. And that's how you install iOS 12 absolutely free on your iPhone. Please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, my iPhone is currently running on iOS 12.